hope. I mean, let's actually just hope. That's the only thing we can do. My hand is still shaking. That's the most nervous I've ever been. Bro. I beat it! Yes! Yes! Oh my god! What? I can't even fucking react because we're gonna cough so much! Y'all were here! Oh my god, that was random. I literally got to the duel like instantly. That was my first attempt. I'm gonna check my heart rate. 142 BPM, and that was like 10. That was like 15 seconds after it. Good shot. W heart rate. Oh, you can't. Oh my freaking pass. I can't. Oh my god, it's over, bro. Wait, last time we seen this on. Wait, it got funky for a second. It feels so weird, bro. Ah, thank you. I mean, like, obviously I'm happy because I finished it, but like, I'm like, because like, I don't, it just felt so random, bro. Like, I don't even know what that was. Okay, I didn't not die to duel at all, but you know, that was probably like gonna happen. I mean, of course I'm gonna die to the duel. Wait, where's my freaking thing? I gotta get the captures. Yeah, but yeah, that's what I call it. Bittersweet, chat. 3 weeks? Wait, chat. But this might be like lower than accurate. I mean, I literally calculated it like 5 seconds ago, so it's gonna be like around this. Okay, almost 7, a little over 7K from 0. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you, game. Okay, Black Blizzard took me 16,501 attempts. That's actually good. But I'm pretty sure it's just because I have better starters in Switch. That's not a million attempts now. 100 days been out. There we go. Bang! I'm so freaking like... Yeah, that's a lot of Y's. Bro. Okay, wait, chat. That's tough comment. Okay, now it's time for twice in a row.